Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python in Jupyter Notebook. First, you'll need to install Anaconda, which bundles Python and Jupyter together. This makes setting up your environment straightforward and quick. Once installed, launch Jupyter Notebook from your terminal or command prompt. This opens a web-based interface in your browser, ready for interactive coding. You'll then create a new Python 3 notebook to begin your learning journey. Now that you have your notebook open, it's time to write some code. Type your Python commands directly into a code cell. After entering your code, simply run the cell to see the output instantly, which is fantastic for quick feedback. You can also use Markdown cells to add explanations and organize your thoughts. Start by experimenting with basic variables and different data types to build foundational skills. Jupyter Notebook offers powerful features to enhance your learning. Master essential keyboard shortcuts to navigate and execute commands more efficiently. You can easily import popular libraries, such as NumPy for numerical operations or Pandas for data manipulation. Visualize your data effectively using Matplotlib to gain insights. The cell-by-cell execution also allows for iterative debugging, making it easier to pinpoint and fix errors. To maximize your learning, adopt some best practices. Always organize your notebooks with clear headings and comments to keep your code understandable. Remember to save your work frequently to avoid losing progress. Consistent practice with small, focused projects will solidify your understanding. Finally, explore the vast online resources and join communities to learn from others and get help when you need it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.